Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post videos related with Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, Facebook, and many more other apps. So if you want to get notified for our future videos just like this, then you guys should hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One to Step, because we're going to be bringing more videos just like this. And today's video is basically on how we guys can post private stories on your Snapchat on iOS. iOS basically means Apple phone. So this is my Apple phone. As you guys can see, I have App Store. I'm showing you just in case you don't believe that I'm an iPhone user, but this basically shows that I'm an iPhone user, all right? So let me show you guys how you guys can post a private story on your Snapchat on iOS. But before that, if you guys do not know what Snapchat is basically an app which was designed to snap, which means videos are like a photo to your friends, and you can, increase your snap streak, use filters, and many more other stuff, all right? It's a pretty fun app. You can download it from your Play Store or App Store easily. So to post a private story on your Snapchat, it's pretty simple. You can click a photo or a video, whichever thing you want. And after you click that, what you want to do is click on where it says send to. Once you click on send to, over here where it says plus new story at the top, you want to click on new story and click on where it says new private story. Once you click on new private story, you can create a group. So whenever you post something on that private story, only the person of those group can see your, story. So let's say on my private story, I want Abhinav Timla, I want Shanshin Prakriti Singh Thakuri, only these people to see when I post a new story on my private story group. I can click on create a story, click on done. Now I have created a private story group over here. Now once I click on this tick mark where it says Abhinav Kevin private story, now on your screen it might show you other thing rather than this, alright? So what I can do is, once I tick mark this by clicking on it, I can click on this little arrow button at the bottom right corner of my screen, and my story has been added on my private story section, and only those private people on that group can see it. As you guys can see, there's a little lock icon over here where it says Abhinav Kevin private story. It means it's a private story, alright? That's how you guys can post a private story on Snapchat on iOS. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel, and bye-bye.